Hi, my name's Craig. I'm still here at the SDM and we're working at Southend. This is a morgue for Southend Hospital. On this project, SDM designed, fabricated and now we're installing the steelwork. First phase come last week. Since then we've been cracking on getting it up, planning to get done by the end of this week. Today we've been on site a week now. We are still setting up columns, infill beams and rafters. We're trying to get the loading area clear for our next delivery for tomorrow morning. So that'll be our last lorry for this build. Site today, I've got myself, Kev, we're both in the pickers. Campbell is on the floor, sending the steel up. And we've also got Eastern Cranes with us on this job. The only issue we've had on this site is laydown area. As you can see, it's quite a tight area. So we're quite limited where we can land the steel, as we've got to work with the mutes and the crane. But we've helped with the main contractor and some consideration. We've managed to keep the site nice and tidy and keep the project moving as it should do. Thanks for joining us on Southend today. Hope you enjoyed it. Look out for us on social media for any updates.